Question number 30. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. See the figure. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Consider EF is a girl, that is equals to BG. The height of the girl is 1.2 centimeter. So you can consider EF is equals to BG is equals to, and this is also is equals to 1.2 meter. C is the position of the balloon and A is also position of the balloon. It is the initial position of the balloon. It is the final position of the balloon what the girl observes. When the girl observes the balloon at a point C, then the angle of elevation is 60 degree. When the balloon moves and reaches the point A, then the balloon is observed by the girl and the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. It is shown in the figure. Angle of elevation is 30 degree when the balloon is at A, and angle of elevation is 60 degree when the balloon is at C. And the height of the balloon is given, that is from the ground. The height of the balloon is 88.2, and from the eye of the girl, the height of the balloon is 88.2 minus 1.2. 88.2 minus 1.2 we have to take from here to here. It is 88.2 minus 1.2, which is equals to 87. That is AB, which is equals to CD. AB equals CD equals 87 meter. What we have to find out? We have to find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. This is the initial position. This is the final position. The distance traveled is C to A. CA is to be find out. Here if you get dB, that becomes CA. To get dB, what we have to do? We have to find the length of EB by using the right angle triangle ABE. Next we have to find out BD by using the right angle triangle CDE, and subtracting DE from DB, that is DB minus DE is equals to DB. DE minus ED. DE minus ED is equals to what? DB. Therefore we have to find out BE and DE. EB and ED is to be find out by using the trigonometric ratio. Then you write the first triangle AEB. Here you write height of the girl is 1.2, and you got AB is equals to CD is equals to 87. Write EF is equals to BG is equals to 1.2. That is the height of the girl. EF is equals to BG is equals to 1.2 meter, and CD is equals to AB is equals to 88.2 minus 1.2 equals 87 meter. Next, in the right angle triangle, you take the right angle triangle ABE. ABE. For 30 degree, AB is the opposite side and EB is the adjacent side, right? Which trigonometric ratio? Tan. Tan 30 is equals to opposite side AB by adjacent side EB. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 equals AB is 87 by EB. Do the cross multiplication. 1 into EB is equals to 1 into EB is EB. EB is equals to 87 root 3 meter. You got this length. Next you get this length by using the right angle triangle EDC or CDE. Right? In the right angle triangle, CDE, for this 60 degree, this is the opposite side. CD is the opposite side and ED is the adjacent side. So that is tan 60 equals opposite side CD by adjacent side ED. Opposite side CD by adjacent side ED equals CD by ED. Tan 60 is root 3. CD is same as AB, which is equals to 87 meter. 87 by ED. Again you can have, as we have to find out ED, exchange ED and root 3. So ED is equals to 87 by root 3 equals 87 can be expressed in the form of 3 into, because root 3 can be cancelled here by taking 3 into 29 is 87 by root 3 equals 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into 27 by root 3. Root 3 cancels. You got 27 root 3. Then we have to find out dB. dB is equals to what? BE minus BD or ED minus DB, right? Distance travelled by the balloon equals distance travelled by the balloon equals distance travelled by the balloon equals what minus what? You write equals here. Equals, what is that? dB, which is equals to EB minus ED. From here to here minus here to here. What you can write here? Here to here EB minus here to here ED. EB minus ED. EB means BE. How much? 87 root 3. 87 root 3 minus ED is 29 root 3. 29 root 3 and 87 minus 29. Here 17 minus 9 is 8. 7 is remaining. 7 minus 2 is 5. So you got 58 root 3. And here if root 3 value is given, Root 3 value is not given, so you can write it as it is 58 root 3 meter. That is the distance traveled by the balloon.